Understanding price range, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a very useful phrase for shoppers and sellers alike, price range. Understanding this term is crucial whether you're asking about the cost of something, planning a budget, or setting prices for products or services. So, let's get started and explore what price range means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The term, price range, refers to the spread between the lowest and highest price at which an item is being offered for sale. It signifies the minimum and maximum amount that you would expect to pay for a particular product or service. For instance, when you say that you're looking for a laptop within a price range of $300 to $500, you're telling the seller the scope of your budget and what you're willing to spend. Understanding the concept of price range is important for several reasons. It helps buyers communicate their budget constraints. It allows sellers to categorize their products into different pricing brackets. It assists in market analysis by showing the variety of prices at which goods can be bought or sold. Now, let's see how to use price range in different contexts. Asking about price. Can you tell me the price range for your handcrafted candles? Planning a purchase. I've been saving up for a new phone that's in the $200 to $300 price range. Setting a budget. We should set a price range for our vacation spending. When talking about price range, it's important not to confuse it with fixed price. A fixed price is a specific cost, while a price range offers a scale of possible prices. Also, avoid using it interchangeably with pricing, which is the act of setting a price, not the spread of possible prices. I hope this video has helped clarify what a price range is and how you can use it effectively in English. Remember, whether you're buying or selling, knowing how to talk about price ranges is a valuable skill in any market situation. Keep practicing, and you'll find it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.